Hey guys, it's Kamilla Lanae, and I thank you so much for clicking this video. Today I'm going to be telling you how can you be confident in your auditions, stop being shy, stop downing yourself. You feel like you're not the best, you're not good, you're not worthy enough to do this audition or to get the audition or ace the audition, whatever. I'm here to let you know, get your confidence boosted all the way up, to let you know, listen, you got this, you're going to do great, because I'm about to give you so much confidence by the end of this video. You have to watch it to the end. Keep watching. Now, most auditions are online right now, so it might be a little easier for you. It might be a little better because most auditions, you just have to do it online, like through Zoom, what are other ones? Like sometimes you do it on, some people out here are doing it on FaceTime. Or you're like just doing an audition and submitting it to them, so you don't even have to even see them. So it might help you a little more if you're a little shy. But if you are shy, you have to get that out your system. Get it out your system all the way, because if you're an actor or you want to be an actor, you cannot be shy. That's just something you can't be. Shyness and acting, that cannot be in the same same sentence, okay? Because if you want to act, there's going to be a lot of people on set. There's going to be a lot of people. Sometimes when you audition, I don't know, sometimes it might not be. But we're going to get that shyness out of you as well. So come on, let's just keep watching. Now, first thing, try to understand and remember that this is a great opportunity. This is a really great opportunity for you. Do not be shy. Try not to be shy, I should say, and just know and understand, like, oh my God, this is an amazing opportunity. I'm getting to audition for this movie, TV show, commercial, whatever you're auditioning for. Understand that this is a really, 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 really great opportunity, okay? And you have to understand that, because it's a really good opportunity. Whether you ace it, well, whether you get the part or don't get the part, it still was a great opportunity that you were able to audition for that in general. So understand that this is a great, great opportunity. It really is, and you have to remember that. No, it's an awesome opportunity, and you might get the part. And if you do, that was the best opportunity ever, right? So you have to look at it like that. Everybody don't get the parts that they audition for, and it might not be like, it's like big time people, they audition for stuff and might not get it too. It's okay. Practice, practice, practice the sides, the lines, the commercial, wherever you have. Most likely it will be sides. Practice those sides, memorize those sides, understand those sides, get comfortable with those sides, because if you are getting comfortable and understanding it and know exactly the feeling and meaning and everything of those sides, you're going to do great. Trust me, you're going to do great. You have to feel that character 100%. When I'm acting, I don't feel like I'm acting. I feel like I'm actually in that moment. And if that's how you feel when you're acting, you're doing great. You're doing great. Now, something that will help you out a little bit more to get your confidence boosted. When you're acting, when you're reading your sides, go into a mirror, look into the mirror, and recite your lines over and over and over again. Look at your facial expressions, look at your hand motions, look at everything. See what you're doing, what you shouldn't do, what you should do. Stare at that mirror, keep staring at that mirror, keep reciting the lines, keep reciting the lines, keep reciting the lines, keep looking at them in the mirror. Keep doing this over and over again until and sometimes, like when you're looking in the mirror, you might do it one way, and then by the time you get to the 10th time that you read it, you're doing it a whole nother way. And that's okay too. Try to look in the mirror as much as possible. If you feel like you should change your facial expressions, do it. If you feel like you should use less hand motions, do it. If you feel like you're not using hand motions and you want to add a little hand motions, do it. It's different things that you can do to make your lines better. And if you get very comfortable with the lines and understand and feel the lines, the sides, whatever, it's going to make you feel better when you're actually doing it. And it might sound weird, it might sound crazy, it might sound unbelievable, I don't know, but trust me, it works. And I have people that I told this to, and they told me plenty of times that it worked. And I did this for myself when I first started acting. I did that and it worked. That's what I'm telling you guys. Now, when you're actually acting, like say if you're doing an audition on Zoom, when you're acting, try to act like nobody is in the room, nobody else is on the camera or the video thing, whatever you guys are doing it on. Act like it's nobody there. Or even if you're actually auditioning in the room, act like no one is there. Act like you're there reading it in the mirror, even though you won't be able to see yourself really, but just act like no one is there and just do it. Just do it. I probably want to get like a monologue together, some type of monologue, and put that on this channel, you know. And I'll probably do that like here and there sometimes, so you can see the different monologues that I do. I don't know. I might do it. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to do that. But make sure you are I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. Okay, yes. Try to act like no one is in the room. Trust me, it's going to make you feel better. Just ignore everyone there. If you want to stare at a point of the on the wall, stare at a point in the wall. If you want to stare at the casting director's nose and their nose only, stare at their nose. So, what they're going to tell you, don't look at my nose. Do whatever makes you feel comfortable, because you want to do great at the audition. You want to feel confident at the audition, because if you don't feel confident at the audition, most likely they can see that you're not confident, or that you're shy, or that you're not really into the part. And you don't want them to see that. You want them to see that you're 1,000% comfortable, 1,000% not shy, 1,000% happy that you're at the audition, or that you're auditioning for that part. You just want to be 1,000% great, okay? And you want to be confident. Confident is key. Is a very important key at an audition. It's the key for an audition. Confidence, confidence, confidence. Remember that. You have to have confidence. Now, another tip. Don't think about it. Just do it. Just do it. I think I said this before too. Don't think about, probably in another video, but don't think about it. Just do it. Just go ahead and just act it out. Just act it out. Like I said, act like no one's in the room. Just do it, because it's nothing to it but to do it, right? I know y'all heard that before. Now, this is important. If you don't believe in yourself, if you feel like when you're about to do the audition and you're like, oh, I don't think they're gonna pick me. I don't think I'm good enough. Oh, I might do horrible. Then you shouldn't do it. You're right. Because then you might do horrible. Because if you're thinking like that, that means you don't believe in yourself. And that's not good. You have to believe in yourself. Whatever you want to do, you have to believe in yourself. I got to remember that sometimes in my head. I be giving out really good tips to you guys. And sometimes I got to remember that for myself. But you have to believe in yourself. And like I just said, it's nothing to it but to do it. You have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you're going to put little bad spirits and bad negativity and all that in your head. And it's going to stay in your head. And now you're just going to think all the time that you might not get picked. You might do horrible. You might do bad. How about you think, I'm going to get picked, or I might get picked. It's a really good opportunity. I really probably will get picked. I'm really going to do great. I'm going to do awesome at the audition. I'm going to rock that audition. How about you think like that? That's the type of people that I want to hear. That's what I want to hear you thinking. Don't say that you don't believe in yourself, you don't want to do it, you're not sure. Don't do that. Think about all the good things in it, all the good things that's going to come about it when you do it, when you audition. You got to believe in yourself, okay? Believe. Now, ignore all those negative comments. Ignore them. Who cares if people are telling you like, oh, you're about to go audition for that movie? You know, it was like 5,000 people that was auditioning for that too. You think you're going to get picked? And your response better be, yes, I feel like I probably will get picked. And if not, I will be like, you know what? I'm not even going to say if not. I feel like I might get picked. That's the reason for me to audition. Don't be like, you know what? You think it is a lot of people auditioning? I probably shouldn't do it. You're right. No, don't think like that. You might be what they're looking for. Your acting skills, even your look. They might say like, oh, you came to audition for this part, but I don't even want you for that part. I want you for this part. And it might be a bigger role. Like, you never know. You cannot listen to those negative comments, because those negative comments will put you down. Those negative comments might ruin your opportunity. You just never know. So you cannot listen to those negative comments. Block all those negative comments out of your life, out of your head. Ignore any negative comment that comes your way. Trust me, you're going to thank me later. If you have any weaknesses dealing with acting, try to fix that before you audition. You might know your weaknesses. Try to fix those weaknesses before you audition. Try to, if you have somebody that helps you or coaches you, or you like to read your lines to see what they think, talk to them. And ask them, like, listen, do you think I should do it like this, or should I do it like that? Or one of my weaknesses is always moving my hands too much, or just looking around too much or something. And, see if they can help you out with your weaknesses. Sometimes other people that's not even in the acting industry might be able to help you out as well. It might not always have to be an acting coach or a teacher or whatever. It might not always have to be that type of person. No, you are auditioning because you love acting. You are doing this for yourself. You are doing this because you love it. You are doing it because it is fun. Know that. Remember that when you're auditioning. Remember it. This is fun. This is what you want to do. This is what you love to do. Don't y'all want to do what you love to do? Then be confident at that audition, because then you might be able to be on set in Hollywood and making $10,000 a day. I don't know. Just be happy. Just know this is what you want to do, so do it. Keep going. Keep going. If you don't get picked for that part, so it's okay. It's like that, it's fine. I didn't even know what I was about to say. It's okay. If you don't get picked, it's fine. It is perfectly fine. It's not the end of the world. It's going to be tens of thousands of other auditions that you can go for. And to be honest, you probably was one of the top people on their list that they're like, oh yes, they did good. Their acting was great. But they can't fit that tough look, or they're too short, they're too tall, or whatever. Your look might not just be what they want. And that's an important thing also. They want that look. So that's why I tell people sometimes, if you know the character that you're auditioning for, which most likely you will, try to dress that part so they can see, like, okay, they can play this part. Because sometimes you might have been the best of the best actor there, and it was just that you didn't fit the part. But they gave you like a score 10 out of 10. You did the best. And you might have been the only person with a 10 out of 10, but they didn't pick you because you didn't have the look. And then you're thinking like, oh, I did horrible. I'm never doing this ever again. I'm not going to no more auditions because I never get picked. But it's like, to be honest, you were about to get picked. You were the best person there. It's just the look. And that's okay. Keep going. Keep going. Find other auditions. It's going to be one and tons of other ones that you're going to get picked. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Please keep coming back for more. Make sure you subscribe down below. Push that post notification bell. I love you guys. Peace. Oh, also, I didn't forget about that acting competition. Check out the other videos to see the acting competition. There'll be more details about that very soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like those videos to be able to enter. And go watch that video to know what you got to do to be entered. Thank you guys.